you have an imaginative world where you are practicing and you have like a family and
Yeah.
you are just
Good, yeah.
cultivating everything by your own
It's so
self.
very interesting about that. And with my English, I discovered a new passion in my life. The English gives sense to my life.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello, good
how are
morning
you?
from my side.
Okay, and good night because in Colombia, at time is it 8 p.m. I don't know what is your main reason to be here.
Okay, the reason I come here for practicing English and also for the communication skill to develop because I need to improve a lot of things here. That's why I'm coming and
Mm.
practicing with different kind of people from different places, different countries, and I enjoy. What about you?
And in time is about me, AB. It's so very interesting about that because I'm spending time all the time speaking with people with different countries. I'm trying to make friends. Beyond about that concept, I would rather practicing my English with myself, but it's a great tool, for try to change mine. I don't know, try to connect with different people, linking words and linking make friends and whatever you want. But it is also a very interesting tool. Besides, it's free, get free all the time. I love that.
Oh, your English is quite better. So you're still here. Oh my goodness.
Exactly. Yes, I'm still here and I'm still studying because it's so very interesting about that. And with my English, I discovered a new passion in my life. The English gives sense to my life, and I'm
Okay,
not
so
disagree with this.
what difference you found already?
Okay, what is the difference between what? Excuse me.
I mean, the changes you have acquired by learning English.
This is a tricky question because it depends about the subject. Each subject is different, and about that is most importantly try to force yourself thinking in English all the time. Try to immerse. Nevertheless, it's so very interesting to try to use different platforms, different apps in your free time. This most importantly change your mindset. Try to change the chip.
Exactly, exactly. So, don't you have enough partner? I mean, offline partner in your surroundings with whom you can practice English. So, don't you have such opportunities there in your side? That's why you are coming on online and practicing with people.
Okay, be about that question, about your question. Yes, I have. I have a different opportunities here. I have a partner. Besides, I had a different class with a different teacher, but I don't like that because all the time the rule grammars, and the methodology, it was same, and I prefer to create my own path about how to describe that, how to improve that, how can I grow up with a different aspect of my life, and obviously applicating or using English all the time. I'm used to practicing with myself. Maybe the people say, "Are you crazy? Are you schizophrenic?" But I don't like that. For example, meanwhile you're street, you can practicing with yourself. Speak up or speak low. I don't know. Speak down.
So
Whatever. It's most.
what is the method and what is the way to practice with the self? I mean, as you were practicing with you, so what is the method you were applying?
Okay, using speaking up with myself from the mirror. I'm trying to speak all the time with myself with a different songs, create a different conversation with myself on my mind,
Hmm.
into my mind.
In
That's it.
imagination.
Exactly.
Okay.
But
So you have an imaginative world where you are practicing and you have like a family and you are just
yeah,
cultivating everything by your own. That's great.
can
That's
and
great
how
part.
this is the best. This is the best way for that. Try to immerse all the time in English. Try to create yourself listening with you, listen, speaking
Hmm.
with you.
So what is your native language in Colombia? Colombian language?
Spanish. No, Spanish.
Spanish.
Latin American
Spanish.
people, most people or the official languages in Latin America is Spanish. There are
Spanish.
different Spanish around me. Around here, there are different Spanish. Argentine Spanish, Chilean Chile Spanish, Brazilian, but in Brazil is Portuguese, Portugueses.
Portuguese, yeah. Yeah. So
Mhm.
what do you do for a living, by the way?
About me, bro, I'm working in a bilingual call center. I make a living working in a call center all the time, practicing English, obviously, with the native people,
What is the
speakers, native
what
from
is the medium of instruction there? Is it English? I mean, official language you use in office.
English, obviously, English and French, and a little bit or hardly ever use Portuguese. But my Portuguese is so very bad, you know, it's peces.